What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better, so feel free to grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you can like work with me, make some beats together, you feel me? Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. So to start off this beat, let's open up Serum. I'm thinking about making something like more rage type of stuff. And right here, I want to go down. That is sounding saucy already. Right now, we need like a lead or something to like complement the main chord. So let's open up Serum again. Just really simple like this. So let's record that in there. By the way, I'm working in D sharp minor. I got it loaded up right here, and also like the scale with like the ghost notes right there. That way I can just like play and it just like all in scale. So that's a cool trick if you didn't know about this. Okay, so let's add some effects to it to like spice it up a little bit more. I got this vocoder plugin, super fire plugin. Like it really adds like a nice touch on your melodies. I literally recently found out about this plugin and it's just like inside of FL Studio. Actually, really funny how I learned about this plugin. I joined Skillshare, which is also the sponsor of this video. So big shout out to them for making this video possible. Really means a lot to me. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes. They even got like music production and music theory classes, and also like Ableton, FL Studio. They got courses on every DAW. So since they got so many classes, I was like, let me just invest in myself and my personal growth. So I hope you can do the same on Skillshare. If you click the link down below in the description, the first 1,000 people will get a free month of Skillshare, which is super fire. So make sure to go check it out. So the class I took was Music Producer Masterclass by Chester Sky, super fire. And I was like, let me just like expand my knowledge on these electronic type of melodies. That's why I checked out this masterclass. It shows you how to make like electronic melodies. I will probably check out some more courses as well about like self-development and finances, but make sure to go check out Skillshare. The link is right there in the description. Actually, I just came with the idea to make an automation clip for like the Serum sound. The good thing in FL Studio is that it allows you to create like automation clips if it's like a plugin from FL Studio. So I'm just going to play with like the modulator pitch shift. If we go over to the plugin again, you can see that automating this knob right here. Okay, what we're going to do with like the is render out and then reverse. See how that sounds. Right now, let's just add some ear candy in there because we got like a good foundation for the beat right now. Ooh, I want to go with the open hand like like something like that. But right now we need to like put it on tempo because I was way off my days. Like that, copy this over. Oh my days, this beat is fire, not gonna lie. Like, this might be one of my favorite beats, bro, on the channel. Yeah, dig, bro, that's hard. If you're not feeling this, that's on you, bro, but I was vibing to this beat. I'm going to leave the link to this sample in the description, so feel free to go crazy. It really is like in the style of like, I can even hear like Lil Uzi on this. I don't know why. Pierre Bourne could go even crazy on this one as well. We got Playboi Carti, Trippie Red, all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Yes sir. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.